So we made it to Abbey Beach. Cullen is about to land the drone. He followed both Jeeps as we came down the dirt road. I did a quick wardrobe change for the boat this afternoon, and we're going to find out what we're doing next. So I heard we're getting on the Cat and a powerboat. So I'm not sure what footage we're about to take. I know the GoPro is now at 16%. We still have the Yi, I think.
The Yi battery's not turning on.
We don't have the Yi because it's not turning on. And we should have at least one more drone battery. So we'll see what we can get. There is a little bar behind us. Definitely more of a local spot, which seems really awesome.
We're basically what we're gonna do is we'll ride around here a little bit. We'll go this way. We'll go by the Marriott. Well, actually, I'll take you both by each. Well, so it's one person at a time kind of deal.
Okay.
Just that way it rides better, it rides faster, and so actually we'll go by where you guys got married.
Nice. Alright, so what is about to happen is we're going to, one at a time, get on the Zap Cat. He's going to take us over to near Lime Tree. Since we can't access it from the road, we're going to try to access it from the water. How exciting.
Awesome.
So you're going to try to find the drone, and we'll see what kind of footage we can get. Kind of nervous. He said it goes like 30, 35 miles an hour, so it's fast.
Is that?
It's recording. Good luck, y'all.
Sweet, here we go.
Five minutes later.
Well, he'll find out. He's gonna find out.
Oh, that is true. I didn't see that coming. An astute observation has led to laughter. We are laughing.
I'm in heaven. I'm on a beach, beautiful beach, with a lot of puppies. What the heck? Oh my goodness! Are they trying to tip over? How was that, honey?
That was epic. Had to put the watch in there.
Oh yeah, you were afraid of the watch?
Yeah, a little bit. I was like, you know, this thing can come off the way the GoPro did. You kept yours on, of course.
Of course I did.
That was awesome.
That was dope.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
For sure.
Honey, this dog is having the time of his life right now. He came out and ran in and like jumped in the water.
Why you gotta push it, man?
Ooh. Oh, I got that on camera. I got lucky.
Yeah, don't you bail now, no, it's sad, 'cause today's the day that all our friends will join. That's what it's all about. We are in for fun. We want you all to join our club. Let's get together, party all together, party all day long and party all the night. No stop. Let's get together, party all together now.
had a great time.
Good time.
Thank you,
Now you're gonna have more fun on that big boat.
So we are about to get on the Bama Breeze boat. We're gonna head over to Water Island, play over there for a little bit, and then head back to the ship. What a day.
Tell all your friends and be like, hey.
Oh, we will tell more than our friends.
What's that?
His life jacket. Bye. Thank you.
I'm gonna walk down and get a picture of you guys. I'm walking out of my mat. Thank you so much. Well, you know, like that, like that. Yeah.
Dang it!
Yeah,
Dang it! Got it.
Honey. I love you, but
I did the number 3. I was like, not even close.
this is not even close.
Not even close.
All right. You guys out of here?
We are.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice.
Perfect.
Mickey, here, hold my tooth for this one.
Yeah, no, stop.
You got a missing tooth?
Huh?
Thank goodness, never mind.
It's not missing, it's right here.
Oh,
Nice.
yeah, nice. Thank you. Whew. This is one way to enter the, okay. Oh my gosh, I feel so good. I think I got a little sun today. No, no, no. It's filming me.
What's that?
You're not first mate before me today?
Nope, nope, nope. I'm actually going back to where I started. You guys have a good day.
Thank you too. Oh, well, there he goes.
Where'd the camera go? Oh, there it is.
It's in front of you.
So that's what we usually do on our charters.
Okay.
People up at the cruise ships. Royal Caribbean has the one dock that you guys came in today.
Right.
And Carnival and Holland, Disney, everybody else uses the other dock this morning.
Oh, okay.
Yep, and so we have permission at both docks to go in and pick up cruise ship people. And go to Water Island, St. John, around St. Thomas.
Nice.
And you're just about, it would be almost impossible to not see turtles and flying fish.
Oh, geez.
It's just wonderful.
Dropped off right next to the port.
That's right. This entire experience was incredibly efficient, super fun, super professional.
fun. Oh,
and
I
they treat
can't
you
wait
like
to talk
family.
about
Like they really do.
Yeah.
It's like those cool cousins that you have that you always want to hang out with on the weekend. Like
Yeah.
they're here. They're here in St. Thomas and Sunfari. Like it's amazing.
So it's Jimmy Buffett's song.
Kimmy Buffett.
Bama Breeze.
Bama Breeze. Hurricane.
Ah. We made a lot of new friends today.
Made lots of new friends.
Can't wait to come back to St. Thomas.
Can't wait. Oh my gosh, I'm blown away. I'm blown away for real. This is
Yeah, it's been great.
amazing. So fun. Such a great day.
Such an amazing day.
Amazing day. So yeah, they're pulling up to the dock. So after the excursion's over, it's an all-day tour, 8 to 4 pretty much.
Pretty much,
And then
yeah.
they'll bring you back to the dock before your ship leaves. So no need to take a taxi or get a ferry. It's just the last excursion is a boat.
Yeah.
Boat ride.
Well, Mickey said if you book the surf and turf, so that is, you'll end up going with them for the Jeep excursion, and then you're gonna get on the Bama Breeze.
Bama Breeze.
The Bama Breeze for the surf part, and they'll take you to a different island.
And sorry, we keep saying Bama. we've had a couple of
rum punches.
Yeah. So it's
Bama Breeze. Bama Breeze.
But these are good. Yeah, they were made by the Bama Breeze.
Yeah. With cruisin' rum, which is the rum.
Captain Sea Bass.
Yeah, which is the rum that's made in the Caribbean.
Yep.
Cruisin'
Really
rum.
good.
Yep. There's our ship again, over there. See how close we are?
No, the next one up.
So thank you to Captain Seabass.
Captain Seabass.
And Trish.
And Trish.
For an amazing...
Thank you, Captain Mickey. I said Captain Mickey, but it's just Mickey.
Captain Mickey.
I won't give him a captain.
You're an honorary captain.
So Captain Mickey's not a thing. It's just Mickey.
It's not a thing.
That's Captain Seabass. He made this entire thing, this boat ride amazing. So we saw some sea turtles, or he saw the sea turtles. I missed them. Did you see it?
I missed them, but I believe that they were there.
Yeah, I believe they were there.
I saw a sea turtle on the Zap Cat.
Zap Cat.
Which is not a catamaran.
That thing goes 50 miles per hour. Up to 50, you said?
Up to 50 miles per hour, yeah.
Yeah, we'll give you more details later, but whew, thing's moving. Everything's moving.
All right. Is all of our stuff here?
Yeah.
Or is it,
should we close out today, or close, like, what do we want to do?
Well, we're going to get back on the ship, and it's formal night, so we're going to get ready. I don't know if we're going to end the vlog here.
Yeah, but, yeah, we don't know if we're in the vlog, but if we do.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it.
And if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share.
Please share.
We'll see you in paradise.
Bye, guys. Or see you at formal night.